Hey everyone, I just thought I would quickly come here and talk about something a lot of you have been asking about agents and agent fees for teaching jobs in the Maldives. So, first thing, you don't always need an agent. You can actually apply directly to a lot of private schools here. Just Google the schools in the Maldives, check if they have any vacancies, and apply directly to them. I have also shared a few job ads here on my channel, and whenever I see new openings, I'll keep updating you all. Applying directly is great because there's no agent fee, it's totally free. You just have to contact the school's HR and send your CV, and if they have openings they might schedule an interview, sometimes even online, so it's super easy. Now if you want to apply for a government job like under the Ministry of Education, then yes, you will need to go through an agent, but for that you have to pay agent fees. Earlier it was around 1 to 2 lakhs, but now because of the high demand it's gone up to around 2 to 3 lakhs, and honestly some people are even paying more than 3 lakhs now, which I really don't recommend. If you don't want to pay so much, definitely try applying to private schools. You'll save a lot of money and still get good opportunities. Also, just to make it very clear, the Ministry of Education doesn't charge anything for the recruitment process. It's only the agents who charge. Now, honestly, I'm not fully sure about every detail of what the charges include because the ministry clearly says they don't take any money for the recruitment. But for what I have seen and heard from the teachers who came through agents is that their ticket expenses are usually covered in this cost. The first few days of accommodation, like 3 to 5 days when they arrive, are included, and some other facilities which I'm not sure. Also, agents set up interviews, sometimes even arrange for delegates to come for the interview and handle a lot of coordination behind the scenes. Maybe that's why they charge so much. But again, I just want to be honest. I'm not 100% clear about every single thing they include, so I can't guide you fully on that part. Just sharing what I have seen and heard from the people around me. Alright, I hope this clears you up a lot of your doubts, and if you still have any more questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I'll try to reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.